Hi there, Jason Hernandez here, chef for the National Mango Board. Thanks for joining us today. Today we're talking about multi-use sauces. Well, what does that mean? Well, we want to create a sauce that's great for tenders and fries, roasted ribs, even a chicken sandwich. So today we're going to make a mango chili mustard sauce. So stay tuned, let's get started. First off, we're going to start with the sweet and spicy Thai chili sauce. We're going to place that in the bowl. Next, we're going to use a mango puree. So this is just taking fresh mangoes, pureeing them down, making sure you get that nice, good, sweet flavor out of there. Pour that right inside of the bowl as well. Next, we're going to take a mixture of salt, pepper, and garlic seasoning. Place that in the bowl. Next is going to be cumin. Add a little bit of smoke, a little bit more bold flavor in there. Next, we're going to add a Guajillo chili powder. So again, a little bit more heat, a little bit more spice, a little more smokiness. We'll add that in. Next is going to be a grained Dijon Mustard. Again, a little bit more flavor. We're just building flavors here. Next is going to be our apple cider vinegar. Again, this is going to add a little bit of tart, a little bit of brightness to our sauce. Next, you can use a regular blender or an immersion blender. Slowly just start to blend that. All we're looking for here is to really incorporate those flavors all together. Now that we have everything incorporated with our blender, now we're going to fold in our sesame seeds. So we're just going to grab our sesame seeds, pour them over the top, using a spoon. Just give those a nice good fold, good mix in there. You don't want those to break up as you're making your sauce. So now that we have that incorporated, now we have our mango chili mustard sauce. So now that we've made our multi-purpose mango chili mustard sauce, we can see all the applications here. So for fries and tenders, it's great as a dipper. On ribs, it's such a good glaze. You get that sweetness, you get the mustard, you get the spice, and of course, chicken sandwiches. So pour it right over the top. Get that nice good drip, the nice good spice, that mustard flavor really makes a delicious sandwich. Thanks again for joining us. As you see, we created a delicious multi-purpose mango chili mustard sauce. For more information, recipes, and inspiration, visit mango.org.